Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate ganache at home step by step. Begin by chopping 8 ounces of chocolate and warming 1 cup of cream to a gentle simmer. Then pour the cream over chocolate and let it sit for 1 minute before stirring slowly until glossy and smooth. Use a rubber spatula and gentle folding to form an emulsion, then cool or use immediately depending on your recipe. To control texture, chill ganache to firm it up for piping or chill less for a pourable consistency that coats cake sides beautifully. If it becomes too stiff, warm a tablespoon of cream and whisk it in gradually until you reach the desired thickness. For glossy glazes, fold in a little butter or corn syrup and strain to remove air bubbles so your finish looks professional and smooth. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy baking videos. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for kitchen crumbs, voice control makes hands-free cleanup a breeze, and its smart mapping saves time so you can enjoy more time tasting ganache. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Flavor ganache by steeping cream with ingredients like vanilla, coffee, or citrus zest, then strain before pouring over chocolate to keep a smooth texture. Stir in liqueur after the ganache is mostly cooled to retain aromatic notes without thinning it excessively. Experiment with chocolate percentages to match sweetness and intensity to your dessert, and always taste as you go so you can balance sweetness, acidity, and richness to suit your palate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.